To set up an individual discussion board for each student, go to the Communications menu and navigate to Groups. Next, select the blue New Category button. For the category name, you can say something like Individual Discussion Board. Scroll down to the enrollment type, and from the menu select the very bottom option, Single User Member-Specific Groups. Scroll down to the Additional Options area. If it says Expand the additional options, then click the arrow to the left to see the additional options. Click the box next to Set Up Discussion Areas. For the forum, you may select a forum that you have already established, or you can create a new forum, calling it something like Individual Discussions. Save. And then hit Save at the bottom of the page. On the next page, make sure the bullet next to Create One Topic with Threads Separated by Group is selected. You could type something in the description along the lines of, posting a message here will only be seen by the instructor, and only you will see the instructor's response. Go ahead and click Create a Next at the bottom of the page, and click Done. Click Save. And now you will see that you have an individual discussion board and a separate group for every student labeled with their name, and only one member in each group. When you go back to the Communications menu and scroll down to Discussions, this is where you will see the discussion board. Here is a link to the discussion board. You can tell your students either to navigate to the Communications menu and scroll down to Discussions to find it, or you can create a link for them, perhaps on your home page. To do that, navigate back to your home page, and in the Announcements tool, you can say New Announcement, and type something like Individual Discussion Board. Use this June 19 to 21, something like that. And then you can put some content in here that has something to do with Normandale email is going to be down between June 19th to 21st. Please use this link to send me a message. So I'm for now going to use the last part of that message, but you can type whatever you want in here to let your students know what's going on. The third icon over is called the Quick Link, and this is where you would put the link to your discussion board. Once you click on the Quick Link icon, scroll down to Discussions, select the forum for the individual discussions, and then click on the topic, Individual Discussion Board Group Discussion. Hit Publish. And it's a little confusing because it says group discussion, although this is not a group discussion, it's an individual discussion. So you could go in and delete that part of the name and just leave that link like it is. So that is how you would create an individual discussion board. Please reach out if you have any questions.